Hi friends! So I thought I would show you guys how I made these press-on nails. They're reflective gel nails and also just some simple red nails because I'm going on a little trip and I thought it'd be fun to try something new on my channel. So I just start by buffing all the nails with my e-file sand, what's it called? A sand bed? Who knows? I'll, I can link everything that I use that's available on Amazon in the description. So yeah, I'm gonna do all those nails and then we'll do some filing. So now I'm going to use my 100 over 180 grit nail file. If you've ever worked with nail tips, like for press-on nails, you know that there's like a little tip or something at the end. You can tell they were attached to something. So you definitely don't want that on your nails. It would look crazy and cheap. Just going to file those off of all the nails, make sure I like the shape. Sometimes I use stiletto nails, like for the you actually will see stiletto nails there. I like to either sharpen them depending on how I'm feeling. Sometimes I'll make them super, super sharp, like knife sharp, and sometimes I'll just round out the edges, the end a little bit so that it's not like cutting at me when I like scratch myself by accident. Now I'm just going to dust off all the nail tips and then I'm going to wipe them with rubbing alcohol to get all the dust and oil off. That just helps the gel polish stay on better. And you also don't want, like any hairs or dust particles in it under the polish. It's not a vibe. That's happened to me. I do have a puppy. You might have seen her on my channel. So don't want her hair under my polish. She'll just ruin everything. Okay, I'll stop talking now. I lied. Okay, I'm just back to point out that I'm fully wearing my starry night, not pajamas, my robe. I don't know why. I realized that you can see it, and I chose not to change into something that was more camera appropriate. I feel like it's cute still, though, no? Oh well. And then I'm going to use some Gelpolish base coat on all of these nails. Then my secret weapon is builder base gel. Well, not builder base, builder gel. I like to put a layer of that because it makes the tips super thick and they really look like acrylics when you do this. I don't remember the brand, but I will link it in the description. Okay, so on these ballerina shaped nails, the pink ones, I'm actually using Builder Base Gel by AIMEILI. I might not be pronouncing that correctly, but you actually don't need a base coat before you use this because it is a base builder gel. I wanted sheer nails, and 2 coats of that gave me the style or the color that I was really going for. Love it. So I just do 2 coats of that, and then I'll do the red nails. And now I'm gonna start the red nails. Try my best to be organized. I think I'm using Gelpolish polish. I don't remember the color. It'll be down there. I get almost everything off of Amazon. Like, I'm actually addicted. They just need to sponsor me for the rest of my life. Because I think if they had grocery options in Canada, I'd probably get my groceries there too. That's besides the point. So I'm going to do 2 coats of this red polish. You always want to do at least 2. Some people do 3. I don't think I've ever done 3, but at least 2. So, because these are some simple red nails, they're actually all done. All I'm going to do is slap some top coat on there. I'm using Gelpolish again. I love their top coats. Like, my nails are always so shiny. They're so good. Anywho, so just gonna slap some top coat on there and they'll be done. Okay, so next I put some pink polish on like a plastic surface that I don't really care for. I don't have like a palette. And I have my detail brush or a liner brush. And I'm gonna draw some squiggles on there and then fill it in with the actual nail polish tip. Okay, so at this point I'm in my angle bag because look, you can see exactly what I'm doing. I got you a closer look. I'm gonna mess this up in about 10 seconds, but here is the squiggle, the line that I'm making, and then I fill it in. Does that make sense? It does. It makes perfect sense. This is the best angle you're gonna get in the entire video, FYI. Like, this is as good as it gets. So if you didn't know this already, a pro tip is to kind of anchor your hand onto something else. I like to use my other hand. It really helps to keep your drawing hand steady when you're trying to make any lines. That's just a little pro tip. I'm not a pro, but it is a pro tip. Next, I'm using this pink reflective glitter gel that I also found on Amazon. I had been seeing them on Instagram, and all the popular nail techs were using these like brands, but every time I went to them, they were sold out. I'm so surprised about how nicely this reflective gel works. You've seen it, you saw it at the beginning, but you'll see it again at the end, and I'll definitely post a video when I'm actually wearing them. It is so nice. But anywho, I just line my squiggly line with my liner brush. and then I fill it in again with the actual nail polish brush. And we are all done. So the absolute last step and my favorite part where it all comes together is the top coat. My camera died, by the way, so that's why you're getting yet another angle. This is filmed on my phone. I feel like the quality is also amazing. Why do I have an actual camera? I should just use this phone all the time. Anyhow, do you know initially this video footage was like 2 hours long and I wanted it to be super short. Now it's like 14 minutes. So I'm low-key really proud of myself. But anyways, the nails are done and you're going to see the final result in like 2 seconds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.